Good morning. Let's get ready. Okay. Here I am ready. This is what I'm working with. Okay. I got this little thing, and then I got some white pants. I was gonna wear shorts, but I feel inferior than other men wearing shorts. So here it is. Here are my rings. Yeah. Nice. No chains, only one, because you know we're going to the beach. We don't want the waves to take the magic away from me. Ready to go. Look at my car. It's beautiful. So now I gotta go take the bus all the way to New York. That's 1 hour ride. So I should be there by 11:10. And then my friend is gonna pick me up on 42nd Street. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Exciting, right? My hair looks funny, but I kinda like it. Got my bag right here. I'm currently waiting for my friends. I'm at 40th Street, 9th Avenue. They were supposed to be here at 1:10. It's currently, let me check, 1:35. Sorry, 11:35. I just had a potato bowl and it was delicious. This is literally human shit over there. And I bought out Tito's wine. Welcome to New York, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sweating so much. Yeah, I love New York, but it's so loud in here. It's so hot. It's so humid. It's insane. Dímelo, little baby. Mira con qué estamos aquí. Only speaking English.
I'm sorry to you, but you're my friend, very good friend. G7X. Ese es my boy ahí, tú sabes lo que.
Adiós, Marco. My best friend Gerald. What up? His girlfriend is hungry, so we came to get our food at Chipotle.
Yeah. Two friends like that?
Yeah, this is Max, this is Emmanuel. I don't eat any of this, so I'm just here to use the bath.
Hey, what's up, guys? Here we're back again, you know what I'm saying?
It's your guy, Mr. Max, in the building.
In the building.
We're the chips.
Emmanuel Munoz and Polani says change in the back, you know what I'm saying? We're in the supermarket getting some chips, you know, for the playitas.
For the beach.
For the beach.
Okay, we ready now.
This is piña colada only, virgin.
Ah, careta.
¿Qué para contarle, Chan? No tiene alcohol.
It doesn't have.
Ahora mira tú de que como yo dije que no tiene alcohol.
No, de verdad, ¿sabes?
Tú me más que yo, tú
We got Gerald doing all the work, of course.
Por eso que te estoy diciendo que no tiene alcohol.
Gerald, the man of the house.
Gerald, tenemos que limpiar la playa, esto no lo podemos dejar ahí.
Exacto.
Yo compré una pollera los otros días, pero por lo menos el vasito era de cristal. Pero este vasito es plástico.
officially wasted. Bro, 2 shots of tequila and then 2 shots of what? Hennessy. And then a whole juice, one of these. Damn. Okay, we're looking for parking right now. Okay, I think we found a parking spot. He doesn't fit there.
Oh yeah, just move, please. Claro, preguntale.
Getting on for real. Yo guys, so like I haven't drank since last July, and right now it's June, and he's trying to park there, but I don't think it's gonna fit. That's tight.
Oh, it'll be tight. If it doesn't fit,
that's impossible.
Damn, bro, he that fit.
Me tiró Darwin, bro. He said, yo, I like last night's episode a lot, my man. I'm lit. We found parking. Let me get my drink, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and then we're gonna have fun there. We ready times 2. We're ready to go. It's New York City, the city where dreams come true. So we gotta walk all the way to our friends because we park really far because it's the only parking slot we have. But look at this beauty. Get okay.
He got tired. Look at him.
Yeah, macho, wait. Let me see this sunglass. Dime tú dónde nos vemos, que el tiempo está pasando y tú estás perdiendo. Como el sol que nunca se va a apagar. No necesito otra persona que nunca se va a acabar. No. Mi amor es como el sol que nunca se va a apagar. Y yo, aunque se olvide, it's crazy. Y yo, aunque te olvide, oh sí, no dance, really.
Yo te voy a ver, no te preocupes. El amor público. Esto es amor. Esto es Maxwell Strawberry. Ahí.
¿De mujer? Yo lo estaba grabando, loco.
Aquí chill. It's chilling.
Yo lo estaba grabando.
Estás perdiendo. ¿Cómo se siente cuando yo estoy adentro?
Dime yo, ¿verdad? ¿Qué es lo que dice?
Dije, a ver, loco, tranquilo.
Yes, sir. That princess here. Daniel. Hey. Sexy Miss. AKA Quechón. Know what I'm saying? His name is Polari Exchange.
Creo que el mundo está en mis manos. Me siento
Yes,
feliz y me olvido de los sufrimientos. Cambia de tono porque estoy solo y lloro al saber que son tan falsas las personas que yo lloro. Por eso me siento solo, aunque esté en medio de todo. Soy tratado como un loco hasta en mi propio coro. Cada lado pues prefiero
Aquí con Piri Pablo.
mal acompañado, solo cada día.
Gelo.
Mañana, tarde y noche, sin preocupaciones que nadie
Estos tigres sí hablan mierda. Ahí está. Agárralo bien, maricón.
Ustedes saben que estamos aquí, los Tigers, en la beach. Normal, dígale algo, hermano.
aquí haciendo un vlog para los vlogs del estado.
Tú sabes, sígueme en Instagram, la verdadera guasacaca de pollo, sin aguacate.
Tu verdadero gordito la grasa.
Ya tú sabes.com. Un saludo para la gente duro, el mejor pastor, Ismael Campora, José, el desacatado, Próspero, el rompebocina.
Y el flaco bolsa.
Ya tú sabes, ¿qué es lo que es?
No bulto.
Ya, ahora para esa vaina. Para ese video, loco.
¿Sabes cómo que tú lo tienes que grabar?
Esto es un video.
Voy grabando a la orilla.
La foto la voy a tirar yo para que tú veas que lo creo.
No, bueno, es proof la vaina, pero.
Vamos. Pero tú puedes ponerlo en cámara lenta. Ya, pues es lindo que hay ahí, mira.
Está claro.
Coño. Él, yo.
donde nadie nos obstruya el pensamiento. Volar sin miedo.
Hey guys, we're back here.
No. Okay, I think that's it. That's it for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I'm exhausted. I don't want to record anymore. My
Everybody's
battery's about to die.
exhausted.
Please, thank you guys. See you on the next one. Hey.
Bye.
¿Cómo tú puedes esta vaina?
Okay.